Sometimes we can see wait a few minutes later before you try again on Instagram. It's an easy process, so let's start. So today I'll show you how to fix these kinds of problems. So first of all, just you can check your internet is turned on or off. Here you can see my Wi-Fi is turned on. So just check up your Wi-Fi connection or your phone data. So first of all, just turn off your internet and turn on this. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved. So if this not work, then just update your app from your Play Store or App Store, and then just if this also not work, then just restart your device and just reopen your apps. So that's the process I can fix. Wait a few minutes before you try again on Instagram problems on iPhone or Android. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.